Today I'm using water boiled in a traditional Nambu iron kettle, and then I've prepared this kind of Taiwanese tea. It's called high mountain tea, which is grown in Taiwan at elevations above 1,000 meters. This special tea is known for its unique characteristics due to the high altitude cultivation. Yes, it's oolong tea. This particular variety is handpicked from select tea gardens, then thoroughly kneaded and dried using traditional methods to bring out its distinctive flavor profile. I'd like to show everyone how to properly put the tea leaves into the teapot for optimal brewing. So let's go ahead and do that now. This technique will help you get the most out of these premium leaves. Let me prepare it now. Yes, I've prepared this small teapot for winter, you see. It should be perfect for those cold days ahead. From now on the tea leaves will be... I would like to include them. Yeah. The tea leaves have this round and plump shape, see? When you boil them in high temperature water, the tea leaves will expand. I'll use about 1 teaspoon of leaves here, that's just right. So I will put it in carefully. Here's how you do it. Yes, that's it. Yes, go ahead and put the lid on for about a minute or so. Let it steam a while. Let's go ahead and open the lid. I think the tea leaves have expanded. Yes, they have expanded. Yes, look, they've really opened up quite nicely. Okay, I'll make some tea. Oh, look at that beautiful color. Yes. It's an invisible color, right? This is the first brew, isn't it? The first cup of this oolong tea is quite rich, and you can enjoy its flavor deliciously up to the 4th brewing. Each infusion offers a unique experience while maintaining its distinctive character throughout multiple steepings. Now let's go ahead and try this. First, wow, it smells amazing. I'll enjoy some tea, thank you. Oh, so that's how it's done. I think it doesn't have much bitterness and has a clean, refreshing taste. This taste is amazing. Well, Eve Ryan, who uses iron kettles, I believe you already understand that when water is boiled in an iron kettle, iron elements dissolve into it. The taste of water with these dissolved iron elements has this wonderful smoothness to it. It's mellow, but the iron content mixes with the tea leaves, creating a unique flavor profile that tea enthusiasts appreciate. When they interact, yes, there might be a slight bitterness or a bit of acidity, and the flavor changes just a little. There are many different kinds of tea, but it's not that the more expensive ones necessarily pair better with iron kettles. I also know someone who is a tea sommelier. When various tastings were conducted, it was noted that, interestingly, cheaper tea can become very delicious when brewed with water from an iron kettle. And they also mentioned that when brewing in high-grade tea bowls, the distinctive sharp qualities of sencha can actually get dulled. So just because a tea is expensive doesn't necessarily mean it's better quality or more flavorful. Price isn't always an indicator of superiority when it comes to tea. Yes, I think it's best to try it by taste. Today I wanted to share with you the joy of brewing tea with water from an iron kettle, which is why I showed that tea making scene earlier. You know, when life gets busy, and I'm sure many of you can relate, we often just grab tea without giving it much thought. Yes, I think that's the case for many people. Actually, it's the same for me, but sometimes it's nice to take it slow and enjoy starting work. I encourage you all to try using a Nambu iron kettle for your brewing needs and carve out some time in your busy day to enjoy your tea mindfully. The experience is truly worth it. Yes, and as always, I sincerely thank you for watching the Oitomi channel.